Hello, fellow Ergonauts and those who want to become one. Today I would like to introduce you how to mine Ergo. The easiest way is if we join a pool, a nano pool in this case. Just go to Google and search for Ergo Nano Pool and click on the right link. And now you have the overview of the page where you can mine. You see at the moment we have 5,000 active miners and 17,000 workers. Just as an information, if you go to the main page of the Nano Pool, it's quite interesting to see. Ethereum has about 54,000 miners, Classic about 3,800, Monero about 4,800, Raven 3,300, and Ergo about 5,100. The interesting thing is, 1 week ago, Ergo had 2,000. And this is because the market price has risen a lot in the last 1 week. We came up from $3 to $10. And now I think it's very worthy to mine Ergo. It's one of the most profitable mineable currencies. So we started with $3.98. And now it's a little bit falling, but it's fighting around the $10 mark. Okay, so what to do? Let's go to the help center. And here we get the step-by-step guide. And it's quite easy. First of all, you need, of course, to install the GPU driver. And I have just an old graphic card. Okay, I will show you which graphic card I have. I have the AMD 480. That's an older one. Okay. After you set up your graphic card to install the driver, NVIDIA or AMD, but this should work if you have an old computer already, go to your Ergo wallet address, and if you don't have one, I can recommend you to go to the ERGO wallet extension and download it to your Chrome. That's the easiest way. You just add the extension. After you have done this, you will open your ERGO extension on the right side. And you will create a new wallet. So we take the simple one. We want to skip this tutorial. Yep, not interested. So now we want to create the wallet. Ergo wallet. Create the wallet. Wallet name. Ergo mining or whatever you prefer. It's not important. And now I will blur this area, so you will not see what I'm writing. Actually, for me, it's not very important because anyway, after I've shown you this, I will delete this wallet. After you have written down your password, you now get a seed phrase. With this seed phrase, once you have lost your computer access or whatever, you always can rebuild the wallet. Or restore. So never forget this. So it's very important to write it down. Or in my case, I just take a quick picture and I can use it whenever I want from the picture. Just make sure no one can use it or no one can see it. This could be very expensive for you. So I will fasten this a little bit up for you guys. Okay, once you have done this, you have to accept the terms. And here we are. Now you have a new wallet and you click on receive. And later we need to copy the address. You can do this already. But anyway, we need to copy it again. Okay, so done. Check. Now we need to apply some tweaks for Windows before mining. Yeah, exactly. So make sure you never go to the power nap or sleep mode, and make sure that you stop your antivirus. So otherwise you will have a problem. Okay, and now we need to download the Nanominer. You go to the GitHub and you download whatever you have, Linux or probably Windows. I've done this already for you guys. So I go to download settings. So then you open the zip file. I open the Nano Miner. And now we need to go to the config. And this config, I will delete for you. So that we start with 0. And now you go back to the guide. And you scroll down to the gray area. And you just copy this. And you paste it in the config file. And now, very important for you guys, change the wallet from the euro address to your wallet, otherwise you will give these people free Ergo. I mean, if you want. And now rig name is the name of your worker. Let's call it worker 1. So then you know it's your first worker. You can have several workers under the same email. Email is optional. You can write whatever you want. But it helps you to configure on the website your output. I will keep it empty in this case because it's just for demonstration. Sort pools, okay, can leave it. So save it, and it should be everything. Now we can start mining. So go back to the file and click the Nano Miner. Now the Nano Miner is initiating. And we should be more or less ready. Ready to rumble. Now, what can you see? You can see which pools are added. So European one, Asian one, Japanese, Australian one. And you can see the purple line is showing the temperature of your GPU, the fan power, how quick it's rotating, how's your watt output. What's the power supply? So we have now about 50. This will go up to 100. And the GPU can go up to 100. Or be careful if it's getting too hot, but this one will go up to 80. Okay, and now we are already starting mining. We have a speed of 39 megahash. And it's about the same. It will go later a little bit up, about 40. And now, because I'm recording the screen with open broadcast software, it's a little bit slower than usually. Without the open broadcast software, I have usually about 45. So it's a little bit quicker. All right, now we have to check what are our earnings. To do this, we go to our Euro wallet, once again, copy our wallet address, and then we are typing ergo.nanopool.org and the URL. And here we have to paste our wallet address in the search. After we have done this, you can see the output. This needs 10 up to 30 minutes. In this case, I already started this before the video. You can see how many megahashes you are mining per hour. And to check now what are the results, what is the money you're getting, you're typing Ergo mining in Google, going to the Ergo platform, and there you have a calculator. You can check what is your average mining. It's here standing about 40. You're typing in your 40 megahash, and then you see you have 0.24 Ergo. That means it's equivalent to $2.20 per day. Thank you guys, that's it. Have a pleasant day. Bye bye.